In this video, I'm going to talk about how to determine whether an ordered pair is a solution of a given linear equation. For example, determine 2, 3, determine whether the ordered pair 2, 3 is solutions of 2x minus 5y equal to negative 21. Okay, so how to do that? We can do it in the following way. Okay, so first of all, we put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 into the equation. 2x minus 5y equal to negative 11. We see that the left hand side equal to 2x minus 5y. X is 2, y is 3. So we have 2 times 2, we get 4. Negative 5 times 3, which is negative 15. 4 minus 15, which is negative 11. Okay, so the right hand side also equal to negative 11. Since left hand side equal to the right hand side, therefore 2, 3 is solution of 2x minus 5y equal to negative 11. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me give you another example. So determine whether 2, negative 5 is solution of 3x plus y equal to 2. Okay, so let's do that in the same way. We put x equal to 2, y equal to negative 5 into the equation. 3x plus y equal to 2, and check the left hand side, which is 3 times x plus y. Okay, x is 2, y is negative 5. So 3 times 2, which is 6, plus negative 5, which is minus 5, which is 1. And the right hand side equal to 2. Since left hand side not equal to the right hand side, therefore 2, negative 5 is not a solution of 3x plus y equal to 2. That's it. Thank you.